Hi, everyone. My name is Ross Peary. I'm a licensed professional counselor in the state of Georgia. And today I'm going to be talking to you about one of my favorite coping grounding techniques, and that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I put a little twist on it to make it a little bit more relaxing, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But let's jump right into it. So with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're going to be paying attention to our different senses. Okay. Each stage, the 5, the 4, the 3, the 2, and the 1, will be a different sense. And it starts out by looking around the room and naming 5 things that you see. For example, see a microphone, headset, cat, mouse, and a window. So that's 5 things. And then I'm going to take a breath in between, in through the nose and out through the mouth. That's the relaxation bit. And then I'm going to go to 4 things that I can touch and feel. So this can be with my hands. I feel the desk in front of me. It's a little bit grainy, the wood. And you want to pay attention to the textures that dives into the sense, making it more grounding and mindfulness related. So I felt the desk there. I feel the smooth mouse pad. I feel my legs on the chair. It's a little bit fuzzy. And I feel my feet on the floor, feeling secure contact with the floor. I'm going to take a breath in. And now I'm going to move to 3 things that I can hear. I hear the air conditioning. I hear my cat moving around. And with any of these, if you have trouble figuring out one of them, for example, if you are having trouble feeling something, reach out and feel it. If you're having trouble hearing 3 different things, go ahead and make a noise. So I can rub my hands together and I hear that sound. Or I can tap on the desk and I can hear that sound. All right, so I did 3 things that I could hear. Now I'm going to take a breath in, a breath out. I'm going to do 2 things that I can smell. Now, this is ideal if you're doing this at home and you like this technique. You can have a little box of different scents. I don't have that around me right now. So what you always have with you is your body. It's usually got some sort of smell. So I'm going to smell my arm, and I can smell some of the soap that I used earlier today. And then you can smell your clothing. And, there may be a detergent smell with that. My sense of smell isn't that great. So that's why having those things here with me that I can directly go to can be helpful. But again, anything, if you have something you enjoy, have that around, like if it's lavender or orange or some sort of perfume. All right, breath in, breath out. And then the last thing is one thing you can taste. And ideally, you could have something with you, but practically, you usually don't have something with you that you can taste. So there may be a leftover residual flavor in your mouth from something you had earlier today. So I'm thinking right now, not getting much flavor. So if you can't think of one thing that you can taste, you can say one thing that you're thankful for. So for me, I am thankful for my family and my cat. All right. So in review, that's the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 grounding technique. It keeps you grounded in the present, can help with intrusive thoughts that are coming in or anxiety and worry, recurrent worry about things. It can bring you back to the present. And adding those calming breaths between can just be a little extra benefit if you want to bring down your body's emotional state, bring it down to a calmer level. But you don't need to do the breaths. You could just pay attention to your senses. And again, if you find this really helpful, you can have common things that you want to reach out and taste, common things that you enjoy smelling. And then for the textures, you can get different sensory toys out there. Get a whole, bucket container full of them and reach in and grab different sensory objects to feel for that. If you have any questions, feel free to comment and let me know. I appreciate you being here. and I wish you a peaceful day.